Then establish 3 variable elements: the episode number in a specific position, the primary image or subject that changes per episode, and 1 dynamic text element that teases each specific video. When someone browses your playlist, they'll instantly recognize that all 10 thumbnails belong together. This psychological coherence increases the likelihood they'll click the second video after watching the first, then the third after the second. Playlist completion rates improve significantly. Here's the editing workflow. Create a master template in your design software. This template contains the constants locked in place.